Okay, I wanted to look real quick here at triangles and hopefully help you a little bit with how to classify those. So typically we'll talk about them in terms of the lengths of the sides. So we've got three different side classifications. First one would be scalene over here, then isosceles, and then equilateral here. So let's talk about the differences between them. First, for scalene, I'm looking for triangles that have all different lengths of the sides. So as I look over here, I'm going to try and look and see, okay, which ones have all different lengths on the sides. And this first one, it looks like that and that side are the same. Same with this one. Oh, I'm thinking this one has different lengths on the sides. Same as this one. This is a little bit longer than that one. That one's short. Those look like they're all the same length. So it looks like this one right here is going to be scalene, and this guy right here. Okay, so those are both scalene because all the lengths on the sides are different. Next is isosceles. One of the things I look at is where it has the SOS, so I think side, opposite side. So there are two sides that are the same. It's also got the ELE, so it's at least two sides that are the same. So we said these two up here for sure had exactly two sides that were the same. So let's drag them over. There's that guy. There's that one. Okay, now this third one had two sides the same, but remember we said at least two sides the same. So this one has all three the same, so it is an isosceles. But let's look real quick here. The last term is equilateral. So the key part of that is the first part where it says equal. So the same as equal. So being the same, equilateral mean equal lines. So there's, on this one, all three lines are the same. So it actually goes into the slot for equilateral. Notice that equilateral triangles here are also a part of the isosceles triangles. And then the other way we'll classify these is by angles. So the different types of angles, you'll have acute, right, and obtuse. So acute angles, you probably remember that they're acute little angles, that they're all smaller angles. So the ones with only acute angles, that'd be three acute angles, would be this one right here, and this one right here. Okay, so those two have all acute angles. The next would be right angles. So you can only have one right angle in a triangle. Anything else would have to be less. So there and there, you'll notice that squared off angle that's exactly 90 degrees for my right angles. Then the last one that's left is obtuse. And so I'll zoom in on this one a little bit. And hopefully we see that this is an obtuse angle because it's one very big angle right there. Okay, so that's the only obtuse one that I've got on this one. And as I zoom out, remember that triangles, those were a part of my polygons, along with the quadrilaterals and pentagons and hexagons and everything else that has sides. Over here on their own is the oval and the circle over on this side. They are not polygons because they do not have sides. They don't have angles. There's nothing. It's just everything is rounded off. Okay, hopefully that helps you classifying triangles and polygons in general. Have a good day.